What it do, YouTube? This your boy Corvette Ron. We back with another one. I'm out here at Cigars, Sports, and Cars. You know, it's our Corvette event tonight. Check out the lineup. You got my girl right here. She about to pull out on me though.
What up, though?
This her Instagram right here. This her name right there. Creme de la creme. I'm feeling that. Then you got Yvette right here. Dressed in all black. Then you got the red C8 right here. Then you got an orange C8 right here. Then you got the C7 right here. Then you got the C6. We got my guy right here. He want to go speeding down the highway.
Hey man,
want to catch three.
I was just testing you, man. You playing with the cell, man. I said, hold up, man. What he doing? He come up to 75.
He want to play.
He want to stretch it out. I had to pump him up one time.
Pump a little bit.
Now, don't get me wrong. I catch it, but I ain't finna play out there too many calls.
Hey man, all right. It's all good, though.
I'll let y'all play.
We family. I don't play with it too much.
Yeah, man. Hey, we were riding too, man. One day, me and my homeboy, boy. Shoot, it's still fun to ride like that for a minute.
Yeah,
Like when we went up the boat.
cause I don't got mine up to 185 miles an hour.
I ain't quite that bad.
I go to all these events. I stay in the road.
And then we was in Chattanooga going down 75, coming from Gallenberg.
Why you keep it in the garage? Only time that's in the garage in the wintertime. Other than that, in the summer, I'm riding. I've been to Jacksonville. I've been to Jacksonville.
Yeah. He got another C5.
Like, they got the one in Birmingham coming back up.
Smoke with the door.
Oh yeah. Hey. Yeah. But don't worry though, my guy. In about 3 more years, I'm gonna keep that C5. But I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. I'm gonna transform that little motherfucker right there. And that bitch gonna have 1,000 horsepower in the hood.
I got you a man to do it. I got a man to do it.
Yeah.
Jeff, cam them and everything.
Yeah, that's my next move.
Hey,
that's my next move.
I got a white boy here on there with number the Corvettes. He hadn't done about 6, 7 Black Panthers.
Yeah, that's my next move there.
Hey, we got nacho, taco, and drinks and cigars inside.
Okay.
And the game on.
It done came on. Let's go in there.
Yeah, game on.
Yes,
No, I'm not. I'm talking about it right here.
What's up, man?
What's going on? Ball head, man.
West. All right, what's up? All right, man, brother. Y'all was out there in Kentucky the other week?
No.
We went to Danny, boy.
We went to
What's going on, cuz?
that picnic.
Yeah.
The picnic was nice. I was at the picnic. It was nice.
Yeah, I was at the picnic.
You was at the picnic?
Yeah.
That picnic was nice. Cool. It was really cool. Yeah, I was down at the picnic right there. That car look good. That's a girl car, ain't it?
Yeah.
I gotta be a girl club.
I just said. I knew you were gonna say something. I knew you were gonna say something. Hey, I knew you were gonna say something. You gonna represent. No, why I gotta be a girl car?
I mean, I had rhinestones on that at one point.
Okay.
Yeah, what?
Rhinestones.
It's that color, man. It's that
rhinestone.
I had rhinestones on it. I showed it to
It's
you.
that white stand out on this car.
Oh yeah.
Change the wrap.
I can't see.
That's my next move. I'm thinking about doing a camo wrap. A smoke camo wrap, yeah. Oh, I ain't know I had.
But I didn't understand why this car came.
Oh, they got me.
Oh, you talking about the
Right here.
the ones that went in the.
Mm-hmm.
You got peanut butter too?
Yeah, I got the illegal tints.
I don't tip my money.
I ain't gonna tip my window. I just want not to do that. I ain't gonna do it. I would not tip my window.
Which one your car?
This one.
Yeah, he got the green one down there.
Okay. Convertible. Okay. Yeah, I don't tip my window. Yeah.
Why you don't want to tint your windows, man?
You get ready up. I got you, man. I got the best in the game round. White boy put a cam. He make that motherfucker do what you want him to do.
Oh, that was up.
Everybody I know, and he reasonable.
Alright,
He
that
put
was.
a clutch in mine.
Oh, that was up.
Yeah, but it's awesome.
Yeah.
I got a big buck to leave.
Tell her to hit it for me. You ain't gonna hit it? Go ahead and hit it.
Let me get in and hit it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, she got it awesome.
Yeah, I did the big buck. I'm gonna put the cameras on.
You gonna do the game?
I'm gonna get.
You got speed in you, girl. Good God. You grew up with hot rod. Your daddy and your
We
daddy.
didn't do none of that.
Man, you ain't riding bus on track in New York.
Huh?
No, I drive in New York.
No, not driving in York.
Okay. I like that.
My neighbors don't like it.
I know they don't.
My dog will like
Where we can find you at, man? Where we
Cold
can
red
find
in the house, baby.
Alright.
She's with me. He's with me.
Got